Next we'll install the two washers for the distributor drive gear, the distributor drive gear itself, and the anti-vibration spring for the distributor. The first thing we'll do is we'll put a little grease on the washers so that they stick together, and a little grease on the first washer that goes in so it sticks when it gets inside the block. Okay, I put some grease on the washers. Now I take a long screwdriver, put it in the hole, then I let the washers fall into place. Now I take the screwdriver and set it in there, and I run it around the edge where the distributor drive goes to make sure the washers are in there straight. Now I'll take the distributor drive gear. Have you ever seen a distributor that's way out where number one should be here and it's way over here? When you put your distributor drive gear in, there's a wide part and a narrow part on the gear. Have the narrow part of the gear facing you and aim the slot at your fuel pump stud. I don't have a stud here, but as you can see, I'm going to aim it so that this slot is aimed at this stud. Then we'll drop it in place. Right in place. You always get it lined up right that way. Now we'll drop the distributor in and see how we made out. Notch on the distributor. Perfect position. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. I still have to put the gasket on the distributor. When I do that, the new gaskets, you almost need a sledgehammer to put the damn distributor back in. I always take a little bit off the new gasket with some sandpaper. Still goes in tight, but not like without modifying the gasket. One thing remember when you're putting your distributor drive gear in, make sure you have your crank set to top dead center, number 1 cylinder, or then you'll have it screwed up another way. So I'm waiting for parts. I just ordered them tonight from California Import Parts. I forgot to order the new fuel pump block, new push rod, and I also ordered a carburetor, new carburetor for the engine. I'm tired of messing around with this shit that never runs right. So then it'll still be another week before I get back to this damn thing. I should have had it done weeks ago, and I'm still messing around with it. So until then, till I get the new parts, then we'll start putting the tin work on, the manifolds, heater boxes. I'll show you how to set up the end play on the crankshaft, install the flywheel seal, both of them. There's an O-ring and a seal. And then, like I said, it's going to be 11 to 14 days before the parts get here. So it's going to be 2 to 3 more weeks before I get this sucker done. Then hopefully we can start it on the floor and everything runs okay. Till next time, ciao.